Farnborough, on the outskirts of London, has been hosting the world's largest aerospace event every other year since 1950, the Farnborough International Airshow. At this year's edition, Embraer for the first time has placed its 3 business units together in a single pavilion of 600 square metres. The pavilion is connected to an unprecedented exhibition of Embraer's 3 heavyweight premieres: the state-of-the-art commercial jet E90-E2, the new medium airlift jet KC-390, and the game-changing mid-size jet Legacy 500. The 3 aircraft will be displayed alongside the light attack and advanced trainer A29 Super Tucano and integrated solutions for the defence and security market. This consolidated line of products points the company to greater heights in the next decade.